Austria, a captivating landlocked country celebrated for its magnificent scenery and refined architecture, and the timeless melodies of classical music, is a true gem in the heart of Europe. Bordered by the Czech Republic to the north, Germany to the northwest, Slovakia to the northeast, Hungary to the east, and Liechtenstein and Switzerland to the west, Austria's geographical location is as captivating as its history. This unique country resonates with the echoes of its past glories, offering a glimpse into a world of grandeur and sophistication. For those eager to explore this beautiful land, here are the top 12 destinations to consider. Number 12, Aschensee. Often referred to as the Tyrolean Sea and Fjord of the Alps, Aschensee is a breathtaking emerald green lake nestled amidst the grandeur of the Tyrolean landscape. Surrounded by the majestic Karwendel mountain range to the west and the Brandenburg Alps to the east, Aschensee offers enchanting vistas and a myriad of adventure activities for travelers to indulge in. Number 11, Vorarlberg. Tucked away between the Alps and Lake Constance, Vorarlberg boasts a wealth of natural beauty and cultural heritage. From cascading rivers to towering peaks, this region offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. Number 10, Kitzbühel. Located in the province of Tyrol, Kitzbühel is renowned for its world-class mountain sports facilities and charming old town. Whether you're a thrill seeker or a history enthusiast, Kitzbühel has something to offer everyone. Number 9, Graz. Serving as the capital and the second largest city of the Styria province, Graz is a picturesque city nestled along the banks of the Moor River. Surrounded by verdant hills, lush forests, and scenic farmlands, Graz enchants visitors with its blend of historical charm and architectural wonders. The name Graz traces its origins to the Slavic word grades, meaning little fortification, a nod to the city's rich history. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999, Graz's Old Town boasts a wealth of cultural treasures waiting to be explored. Number 8, the Zillertal Alps. Stretching along the border of Austria and Italy, the Zillertal Alps offer a breathtaking tapestry of natural beauty. Towering glacial peaks, verdant valleys, and rugged cliffs define this picturesque landscape, home to over 85 glaciers, some reaching heights of over 11,000 feet above sea level. The renowned Hintertux Glacier, one of the highest skiing spots globally, beckons adventurers year-round, making it one of the rare places on Earth where skiing is possible throughout the year. Number 7, Grossglockner Alpine Road. Regarded as one of the most awe-inspiring road trips in Austria, the Grossglockner Alpine Road winds its way from Bruck, unveiling panoramic vistas of the majestic Grossglockner, Austria's tallest peak, soaring 12,161 feet above sea level. A haven for thrill seekers and nature enthusiasts alike, this mountainous route offers a 30-mile round trip brimming with breathtaking scenery, making it a must-visit destination for those craving an unforgettable adventure. Number 6, Wachau. Nestled along the Danube River, between Krems and Melk, the Wachau Valley captivates visitors with its idyllic charm and stunning landscapes. Stretching across 18 miles, this scenic region boasts charming towns, rolling hills, lush vineyards, and dramatic cliffs. As one of Lower Austria's premier wine regions, Wachau invites travelers to savor its rich culinary offerings and explore its picturesque surroundings, promising an unforgettable journey through Austria's northeastern treasures. Number 5, Zell am See. Resting on the shores of a crystal blue lake, Zell am See is a postcard-perfect city nestled amidst the majestic Kitzbühel Alps. Adorned with flower-filled meadows and surrounded by snow-capped peaks, Zell am See is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts year-round. Whether skiing in the winter or hiking, cycling, and enjoying water sports in the summer, this charming city offers endless opportunities for exploration and relaxation, making it a destination worth discovering in every season. Number 4, Innsbruck. Nestled amidst the breathtaking landscapes of Tyrol and Western Austria, Innsbruck stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of nature, history, and culture. Situated along the banks of the Inn River and surrounded by towering peaks reaching over 2,000 meters high, Innsbruck boasts a captivating backdrop that has enchanted visitors for centuries. Its medieval old town, dating back to the 16th century, is adorned with beautiful historical buildings, including the Baroque St. Jacob Cathedral and the Renaissance-style Habsburg Imperial Palace. Offering brilliant hiking trails and world-class skiing spots, Innsbruck beckons adventurers and history buffs alike to explore its treasures and immerse themselves in its rich heritage. Number 3. Salzkammergut. Spanning from Salzburg to the majestic Dachstein mountain peak, Salzkammergut is a region of unparalleled beauty, often hailed as the crown jewel of Austria. With its rolling hills, shimmering lakes, and alpine valleys, this picturesque destination captivates the hearts of all who visit. From fishing and boating to hiking and mountain biking, Salzkammergut offers a wealth of outdoor activities amidst its untouched landscapes. The charming lakeside town of Hallstatt, with its emerald green waters and pastel-colored buildings, stands as a testament to the region's allure, drawing travelers from around the globe to bask in its beauty. Number 2. Salzburg. Nestled near the German border, Salzburg is a city of unparalleled beauty, framed by the majestic Eastern Alps and the meandering Salzach River. Its picture-perfect Altstadt Old Town, adorned with medieval fortresses and Baroque architecture, exudes a timeless charm that captivates visitors from near and far. Located within easy reach of Ljubljana, Munich, and Vienna, Salzburg's unique blend of historical richness and stunning alpine vistas makes it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in the wonders of Austria. Number 1. Vienna. As the capital and largest city of Austria, Vienna stands as a living testament to the grandeur of Europe's illustrious past. Known as a city of music, Vienna's rich cultural heritage has given birth to some of the world's greatest classical musicians, including Mozart, Beethoven, Brahms, and Schubert. From its Gothic cathedrals to its Art Nouveau exhibition centers and Baroque palaces, Vienna's architectural marvels offer a glimpse into the city's storied past. With iconic landmarks such as the Kunsthistorisches Museum and the Belvedere Palace, Vienna invites visitors to embark on a journey through time and immerse themselves in the splendor of its historical and cultural treasures. We hope you like this video. For more interested videos, subscribe and like our channel, Tarostia. See you then, goodbye.